Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will try to show you how to create compute cluster via Azure DevOps pipelines. So I'll go to the Azure pipeline. And as you can see here, if you already see my previous video, you will be familiar with this stuff. So I have created the resource group, Azure Workspace, storage account, container, data store, data assets, and sometimes you need the data compute instance. And now I will try to create a compute cluster via Azure pipeline. So you can see here, this is the compute name, the display name. The manager connection, I will choose this one here. It has to be the same in all of these Azure CLI. And the script will be PowerShell. The location inline script, inline, I will paste it here. I have already prepared, so I will just copy this. So if you have, let's say, a script like batch script, you can select this script batch and see where is the directory. It's supposed to be in the repo develop branch if it's a file. Okay, let me just okay. Now cool. You see, AZML compute create the resource group, which is already defined in variables. You can see resource group. Then workspace name, cluster name, everything is already defined in as a variables. Sometimes, for instance, if I have resource group here, in all of these, so for instance, this is the resource group defined here, and in all of these, I need the resource group. And instead of using a specific name, and if I need to change it, I have to change it in all of these. But the advantage of variables, it's like change. For instance, if I need to change it here, I just need to change it only one place. And all of these here, the resource group will be the same because I'm using the parameter. And minimum instance, maximum instance, this will be, I think, 1101. Yeah, 01. I will just disable this because it's not needed because already created one in the beginning. So because it just take time, all of creating all of this takes time, take several minutes. So I'll just keep Python, install and compute cluster. I will start now, save and queue. So because I have the agent, it's in my PC. So it will start now to listen to, it's already listening for any job. Now it's running. So by the way, let me just show because it will take a few minutes. By the way, when I create, I just click here queue or save and queue. This is only for a demo. In the real, in the real, let's say development, this will be triggered automatically when we have some new developments. Let's say merge into develop branch. But this I will try, end of this course, I will try to make end-to-end project with this stuff. And let me just show this. Okay, because this will take somehow few minutes, I will try to pause just to make the video shorter. Yeah, as you can see here, the compute cluster is already created, and let's have a look. And the compute cluster, let's refresh. Okay, see, this is the compute cluster CLI 02. It's created today. And of course, if you would like to delete this, you just click here and delete. Okay, so if you have any question, please feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget please to like, share and subscribe to the Deep Knowledge channel for more insights tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.